Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamble with Jimmy. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to go ahead and play a session on Baccarat. This will be a free tutorial. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to just play a chop system and we'll go from there and see how we can navigate this board today. Okay, hope everybody's having a great day, and we're going to go ahead and just play a chop for right now. Okay, that's looks like a loss. So let's try to stick with a chop. Okay, we're going to get our first win, and we are up in profit. So we'll just go ahead and play up, see if this can win back to back, and it did. So what we're doing is we're just going to navigate today. So we're not playing any specific, I'm just going to navigate this game. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just stay with the winner. I'm up 50 bucks, so I don't have anything to worry about. All right. I'm going to lose there. So I'll go with a chop. Okay, I'm going to get the win. I'm just going to peek at the board real quick. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I started a shoe right out of the get-go. You guys can wait 33% for the shoe to be exposed a little more. But, if you can navigate the game, you're going to be fine. So we're just kind of analyzing what's going on right now. And we'll go ahead and we'll just start playing again. Okay, we're going to lose there. I'm going to stay with the chop. Okay, we're going to get the win. Okay, so we're up $97. That's how easy it is to win in Baccarat. I mean, it's a very simple game. So, most of the people, when they're playing the game and they get up $97, or let's say they get up $100, they never stop playing. They never stop playing. They're just going to continue to play. And I'm just teaching you guys that in Baccarat, it's a very simple game to get up money. The question is are you going to take the money? When people take the money, then they don't have anything to do. They're at the casino. They're like, what am I going to do with $100? Well, it's better than what you had before, right? All right. So I'm not saying, you have to leave making 100. I'm just saying that it's a simple game to get up money. It can really become quickly, okay? Now, if you guys want to really take your Baccarat seriously, I can help you with that. Go to gamblewithjimmy.com. I have training that's called Baccarat Total Package. It's right here. Okay, this system comes with 3 training videos. You get 3 training videos, and you also get 3 strategies. Each of those strategies are designed and show you how to switch from one strategy to the next. That's very, very important when you're navigating this game. Very important, okay? All right, so I'm taking note on what I'm seeing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to analyze how I want to play without explaining too much to you guys. I know that you want me to give you all the tricks and secrets, but you guys also know that if you want to take your Baccarat seriously, you need to get the training. Okay, support the channel, get the training, and then But I'll do the best that I can without giving everything away. Okay, all right. So I'm looking at the board. I'm gonna go 50 bucks here, even though I didn't lose the last one, because I'm up in profits. Okay, so I'm gonna lose that. So I'm gonna go $100 on the winner. Oh, come on! I can't even beat a 0. Okay. So I'm gonna go $200 here on the winner here. Okay, I'm gonna go 500 on the. Or I'm sorry, I'm gonna go 500 on the winner. Okay, we're gonna get that win. So we're up $222. Let me take a look at the board. Okay, got a pretty good idea here what I want to do. I'm going to go 25 on player. Okay, I'm going to stay with player. We'll go 100. There we go. Okay, we're up 297. Okay. Winner, 322. Winner, 347. Winner, 372. I'm going to chop it up here. Okay, we're going to lose. Going to go 50 bucks on banker. Okay, we're going to lose again. Let's take a look at the board. Okay, we got a long player run. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to wait. Okay, player wins again. We're going to wait again. Okay, we're going to wait again. All right, we have a little momentum swing now. Banker's finally won. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go 200 on banker. We're going to win. Okay, we're up $487. Okay, we're going to go 25 on player. Okay, oh my goodness. Why is this not real right here? That'd be $5,000, guys, on a $25 bet. A triple tie blazing 7-7-7 three-way card. Woo, lordy. Okay, that's another tie. Okay, we're going to lose there. Let's take a look at the board. Okay, we're definitely going to go player here for 100. Okay, we're going to lose. We're going to go 200 on player. Okay, we're on a losing streak. Okay, let's wait. All right, so player won. So we're going to go 200 on player. There we go. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go 25 on banker. It's a loser. Let's go 50 on banker. It's another loser. Okay, let's hold off. Okay, let's hold off. All right, let's go 200 on banker. There we go. All right, we're back at 477. All right, I'm going to go 25 on player. Okay, I win. And that puts me at $502, guys. We're going to call it quits right there, guys. So keep in mind, guys, when I'm playing this for you guys for free on a free tutorial, I'm very limited to what I can share with you. I have people, you have to understand, I have a lot of supporters of the channel that take their Baccarat very seriously, and they want to be the best that they can, and they want to learn the different ways to play the game. So the way that the way that I teach you guys, it will increase your win rate by 33%. That's a lot. That's a lot. Your stress level is going to change dramatically. So it's the way that I support the channel, guys. It's a great training. A lot of people get it. A lot of people love it. You've got to get really good at being able to read these boards. You have to pick ways to beat these guys. Okay. Now, if we go back and we look at and evaluate this board, there is one particular strategy that would definitely have done, like there's two strategies of the three strategies that we play, where two of them would have just destroyed this board. We would have made a lot of money. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll process your order when you guys order it through the website. It only takes about 20 minutes to an hour to get your order to you. So I look forward to doing that for you guys. Thank you guys so much in advance for supporting this channel. Do be so kind and hit the smash the like button for me. Helps the algorithm of the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and go out there and take that money from the casino.